Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your NordicTrack T 6.5 as treadmill is not working or not starting, this can be due to a lot of reasons which I'm about to cater in this video. So first of all, you need to make sure that your treadmill is getting the power. For that, you can check if it is properly plugged in and the power switch is also turned on. Also, you can inspect the outlet or you can try a different socket. After doing so, you need to check the safety key. So the treadmill won't start unless the safety key is correctly inserted. So you need to remove and then you need to place it back properly to ensure that it is detected. Afterwards, you can also perform a reset if the treadmill is not working even after checking both of these things. So in it, you just have to first of all turn off the treadmill, unplug it from the power outlet and simply wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in and turn it on. Now, some of the models may also have a dedicated reset button near the console or the base. So you can also press that and then you can wait for about 2 to 10 to 20 seconds. Finally, you need to take a look at the display. So if you are able to find any kind of error codes over here, if the console is not responding or shows any errors, it may need calibration or servicing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.